Google is best known for their innovation in search and other internet-related technologies. However, their latest announcement is poised to revolutionize the AI industry. Google is currently embarking on a groundbreaking venture with its latest artificial intelligence creation known as Gemini. This advanced AI system is a true marvel, comparable to ChatGPT and mighty GPT-4 in its proficiency to comprehend and generate natural language. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss out on this one, so make sure you stick around till the end of the video. Now, let us delve into the essence of Gemini. This project represents Google's most recent foray into the realm of large language models. The acronym Gemini stands for Generalized Multimodal Intelligence Network, and it encompasses a supremely powerful AI system capable of seamlessly handling diverse data types and tasks simultaneously. Its capabilities extend to text, images, audio, video, and even 3D models. Regarding its range of tasks, Gemini possesses the ability to answer questions, summarize information, translate languages, provide captions, perform sentiment analysis, and more. Importantly, Gemini is not a singular model. Rather, it constitutes an intricate network of models working harmoniously to deliver optimal outcomes. So how does Gemini work? Essentially, this groundbreaking system incorporates a novel architecture that merges two key components, a multimodal encoder and a multimodal decoder. The encoder's primary function is to convert various types of data into a shared language understood by the decoder. Subsequently, the decoder takes charge, generating outputs in different modalities based on the encoded inputs and the specific task at hand. For instance, when presented with an image input and tasked with producing a caption, the encoder processes the image, capturing its features and essence in a vector format, while the decoder generates a corresponding textual output describing the image. What truly sets Gemini apart and distinguishes it as extraordinary is its array of advantages when compared to other large language models like GPT-4. Foremost, Gemini exhibits exceptional adaptability, obviating the need for specialized models or specific fine-tuning for each data type or task. Moreover, it possesses the capacity to learn from any domain or dataset, unrestricted by predetermined categories or labels. Consequently, Gemini surpasses models that are confined to specific domains or tasks, enabling it to address novel and unencountered scenarios with remarkable efficiency. Additionally, Gemini outshines its counterparts in terms of efficiency overall. It demands fewer computational resources and memory compared to models that handle multiple modalities independently. Furthermore, Gemini employs a distributed training strategy, capitalizing on multiple devices and servers to expedite the learning process. Remarkably, Gemini is also capable of scaling up to larger datasets and models without compromising its performance or quality, which is a testament to its impressive capabilities. When discussing the size and complexity of large language models, parameter count serves as a common metric of measurement. Parameters are numerical variables that encapsulate the learned knowledge of a model, facilitating predictions and text generation based on input. Generally, a higher parameter count corresponds to greater potential for learning and generating diverse and accurate outputs. However, more parameters necessitate augmented computational resources and memory for model training and usage. In the case of GPT-4, it boasts 1 trillion parameters, which represents a 6-fold increase compared to GPT 3.5 and its 175 billion parameters. Consequently, GPT-4 stands among the largest language models ever developed. For Gemini, Google has introduced 4 distinct sizes: Gecko, Otter, Bison, and Unicorn. Although the exact parameter count for each size remains undisclosed, based on available clues, it is plausible to surmise that Unicorn, the largest variant, likely possesses a parameter count similar to GPT-4, potentially slightly lower. Before we look at a few examples of what Gemini can do, I must emphasize that Gemini distinguishes itself by its interactive and creative nature when compared to other large language models. It can generate outputs in various modalities based on user preferences and can even produce novel and diverse outputs, unconstrained by existing data or templates. For instance, Gemini can generate original images or videos based on textual descriptions or sketches. Furthermore, it can create stories or poems based on images or audio clips. Let's look at a few examples of Gemini's ability to undertake a remarkable breadth of tasks, which are both more diverse and extensive than those tackled by GPT-4. One notable capability of Gemini is multimodal question answering. This involves posing a question that incorporates multiple data types, such as text and images. For instance, one might inquire, "Who is the author of this book?" while presenting an image of a book cover. Gemini possesses the ability to answer such questions by harnessing its proficiency in comprehending both textual and visual information. Another impressive feat is multimodal summarization. Imagine encountering information composed of diverse data types, such as text and audio. For instance, one might wish to summarize a podcast episode or a news article by generating a concise textual or audio summary. Gemini excels in this regard by skillfully combining its aptitude for textual and auditory comprehension. A further remarkable ability is multimodal translation, which encompasses the translation of information involving multiple data types, such as text and video. For instance, one might need to generate subtitles for a video lecture or a movie trailer in a different language. Gemini successfully accomplishes this by leveraging its proficiency in textual and visual translation. Additionally, Gemini demonstrates its prowess in multimodal generation, which involves the production of information incorporating various data types, including text and images. For instance, one might seek to generate an image based on a textual description or a sketch. Conversely, one might aim to generate textual content based on an image or a video clip. Gemini effortlessly handles these tasks by amalgamating its skills in textual and visual generation. Nevertheless, what truly astounds me about Gemini is its aptitude for multimodal reasoning, enabling it to combine information from diverse data types and tasks to make inferences. Consider this scenario. When presented with a movie clip, Gemini employs multimodal reasoning to answer complex questions such as, "What is the main theme of this movie?" by synthesizing information from multiple modalities. Consequently, Gemini discerns recurring patterns, comprehends character interactions, and uncovers hidden messages or meanings within a film. Through this process, Gemini provides a comprehensive understanding of a movie's essence, its principal idea, and its underlying message. This accomplishment leaves me profoundly impressed. These examples merely scratch the surface of Gemini's potential. A wealth of untapped possibilities lies within this extraordinary technology, which cannot be fully explored within the scope of this video. Nevertheless, I hope you are beginning to grasp the immense power and versatility embodied by Gemini. In light of these advancements, what lies ahead in the realm of AI? It appears evident that Google will pose a formidable challenge to GPT-4 and potentially even GPT-5 in the years to come by employing the multimodal approach exemplified by Gemini. Consequently, we can anticipate a proliferation of applications and services utilizing Gemini's capabilities to deliver enhanced user experiences and innovative solutions. Personalized assistance that comprehends and responds to users in different modalities may become more commonplace. Similarly, creative tools that facilitate the generation of fresh content or ideas across diverse modalities could emerge. There you have it. I've shared my thoughts on Google's Gemini based on my research and extensive reading. It is important to note that my intention is not to express undue favoritism towards Google, but rather to present an informed perspective. If you found this video helpful, please show your support through a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.